Are you looking for the perfect sewing machine that can help you bring your creative ideas to life? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seamstress, the right sewing machine can make your projects easier, faster, and more enjoyable. With so many options available, finding the ideal machine for your needs can be challenging. We've put together this guide to help you find the best sewing machine for your next project. In today's video, I'll talk about the 5 best sewing machines in 2023 on the market available right now. I have added all the links in the description box below. Check them out and please consider to subscribe our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Although it isn't cheap, the Brother SE1900 sewing and embroidery machine is one of the best choices for anyone who wants to be able to make gorgeous embroidered items. This machine features a sizable embroidery area measuring 5 by 7 inches, and it is pre-programmed with 138 embroidered designs and 11 fonts. You may import new designs into its built-in memory, and the unit's color touchscreen allows you to change the size, hues, and orientation of your motifs. This sewing machine includes 8 presser foot, including ones for buttonholes, zippers, overcasting, blind stitching, monogramming, and more in addition to its embroidery capabilities. It also has 240 stitches. The machine has an automatic needle threader, allows you to design your own sewing stitches if you so like, and even includes a knee lifter so that you can work with both hands free. One peculiarity to be aware of is that you may need to reformat some flash drives since the machine doesn't like them. However, as long as you can find a gadget that works with the machine, there shouldn't be any problems. The Brother PQ1500SL sewing machine offers a number of benefits over other models that encourage versatility for various sewing projects for ardent quilters. It is a straight stitch machine with a maximum speed of 1,500 stitches per minute. However, it doesn't provide possibilities for integrated ornamental stitching. The necessary workspace is provided by this machine to make huge quilts. The extra-large, attachable table is 21.5 inches by 11 inches in size. The neck area is also greater than on most machines. It gives 5.7 by 8.6 inches of needle to arm space. The greater weight of quilting projects is accommodated by the expansion table and neck. The machine has 4 selectable settings when the feed dog system is in use to provide the most control over a variety of fabric kinds. An alternative to the feed dog system is a pin feed mechanism, which is available with this machine. To guide a quilt through the sewing machine smoothly, an adjustable pin extends from the bottom. As the fabric is fed through the machine, the spring action quilting foot adapts to changes in the layers and thickness of the cloth. The built-in knee lifter is a useful tool for quilters as well. By pulling a lever with their knee, the sewer can raise and lower the presser foot. As a result, the user's hands are free to direct the fabric's motion. A mid-range sewing machine, the Singer Stylist 7258 is excellent for both beginning and experienced sewers. The computerized model, produced by one of the most reputable manufacturers of sewing machines, has 100 distinct stitches, from simple ones like a zigzag to complicated ornamental stitches that will give your products flair. We really liked how this sewing machine automatically changes the thread length, width, and tension to match the stitch during home testing. However, if necessary, you can also manually change these parameters. 8 different presser feet are included with this Singer sewing machine. They include the general purpose foot, zipper foot, blind hem foot, buttonhole foot, and more. The machine has 6 alternative buttonhole designs, including the standard bardak form, round end, and keyhole. It's really simple to choose the style of buttonhole you want and switch to the required presser foot, according to our at-home tester. The manufacturer also provides owner's classes and online video tutorials to guide you through the machine's different features. There are other additional significant characteristics as well. This Singer machine has mechanical speed control, a free arm, a programmable needle, and an integrated needle threader. The machine simply comes with a plastic dust cover, which is the only major criticism we have. A hard cover must be bought separately if you want to safeguard your investment. In addition, this sewing machine is a dependable, reasonably priced solution that can complete a number of jobs. It would be difficult to find a better alternative for your first sewing machine than the Brother X M2701 sewing machine. Despite not being the most affordable option, it is the best for novices because of its limited stitch variety, simple operation, and all-around adaptability. During testing, we appreciated how user-friendly this machine was, especially for individuals who are new to sewing. Additionally, it offers essential features like an auto-size buttonhole, an automatic needle threader, and a jam-resistant bobbin. This machine has a front dial that you can use to change the stitch setting, and a numbered threading diagram directly on the machine helps you set it up. The machine's top has controls to change the stitch length and tension, and a storage container that can be removed gives you access to a free arm that is perfect for sewing tiny openings like a shirt sleeve or pant cuff. Because of its small size, this sewing machine is not the greatest option for huge tasks like thick quilts. Additionally, our tester observed that the accessories frequently fall out of the storage compartment. With the Magicfly portable sewing machine, you can craft on the go. This device is not only small and light, making it perfect for travel, but it also has two power options, allowing you to either plug it into a regular outlet or use 4AA batteries. This is undoubtedly the option for you if you've ever desired to sew without electricity. Overall, the Magicfly's design is relatively straightforward, featuring 12 fundamental stitches and 3 presser foot for sewing zippers and buttons. 3 needles are included for fabrics of different thicknesses. However, the maker advises that thin or soft cloth won't work well with the machine. Additionally, the machine has an extension kit to increase your workspace. Beginners can use a threading guide that is printed directly onto the body, but keep in mind that you will still need to manually advance the fabric because it does not feed the fabric through the machine. Overall, it checks many boxes and will undoubtedly do the job for a portable pick. Although it can be a little challenging to navigate this machine's idiosyncrasies and the user manual if you're a novice, you might want to consider other solutions. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.